These are bacon, smoked blue cheese, beef meatballs. And I serve them with bacon jam on an English muffin with a little bit of spicy watercress. They're delicious. And it's a fun item for brunch, lunch, or dinner. You bake your bacon on a baking sheet. Never put your bacon in a frying pan. 375 till it's as crispy as you like. So in my bowl, I started with ground sirloin, 80-20. I added a little grated onion and its juice, a little grated garlic, and I doused it with some Worcestershire sauce. Minced bacon, our eggs, our moist breadcrumb, moisten that with a little milk, lots of smoked blue cheese, it's delicious, and a little parsley. On our English muffin, so slather it with your bacon jam, top your bacon jam with some of your blue and bacon meatballs, baby watercress, right? And then we're gonna take some oven slumped tomatoes with shallots and garlic and thyme, mash that into the top, and put a lid on it. How cute is that?
That looks incredible.
Isn't that good?
Absolutely.